Hello fam, and welcome here to another interesting episode. So in today's video I shall be doing a little bit of cleaning, organizing, and at the end I'm going to make a cake. So guys, join in and learn how to bake a cake using a jiko. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And I love and appreciate you all for choosing this channel and always coming back. Meanwhile guys, these are all the ingredients that I'm going to use. So yes, I have everything on set, and yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead, mix them up, and you're going just to see what I'm going to do. And I forgot even to introduce myself at the beginning of the video. So in case you're new here, my name is Nimo. I do content around motherhood, cooking, cleaning, and a little bit of motherhood. So yeah, join in the fun guys, and don't forget to like and comment below. Since my flour is well incorporated, I'm going to divide the two mixtures, and one of them I'm going to add in the cocoa powder so that I can get the zebra cake at the end. As my jiko is getting ready out here outside, I'm going to go ahead and keep myself busy. Yeah, so I'm going to just clean up the house before everything is ready, and I'm going to come back, guys, and we continue the process. Right now my jiko is well lit and ready for use, so I'm just going to go ahead and do my work here. So guys, let's see what I'm going to do. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to apply my butter on the pan. So I'm going to use this fourier pan because I don't have yet a baking pan. So this is what I'm going to use. I'm going to apply butter, and then I'm going to use wheat, yes, to ensure that the cake doesn't shishka. Since it's not a professional cake or a cake that I'm going to sell later, I'm just going to use what I have at the moment. Yes, I don't have those baking sheets or the baking pan, so I'm just going to do it this way, and it just came out perfectly, guys. I was truly proud of myself because I just tried it once. It was my first attempt and it just came wow. The outcome was just wow. I was just wowed by the outcome. So yeah, guys, don't hesitate, go ahead and try yours. Yeah, and let me know in the comment section venye yako itatokea.
2,000 years later.
So guys, look at that. I was over amazed by this outcome of the cake. Just look at that. Oh, it just looked yummy already. Just take a look of that. Oh my god, I was so proud of myself. Being a first attempt, this was just superb, guys. I feel like I'm already a professional baker. So guys, in case you're interested by having a cake on your birthdays, don't hesitate to DM me. Don't hesitate to inbox me. Actually, I'm going to do this at a very affordable price. Whoa, look at that, guys. I hope you have managed to learn something here. And I'm super grateful for your support, for your kindness, love, and genuine support. And I can't be more grateful, guys. And that was just the outcome of the cake and how I managed. Oh, at the beginning, I forgot to say, yeah, this is how I managed to get those zebra, whatever. You can see that it's spongy. It was very soft, very nice. Yes, very nice. So guys, if you're interested, hit that inbox. Yes, and make your next order. So for now, guys, I'm going to say a bye as I end this video with a very big bite. I hope you have enjoyed each and every bit of this video. And stay safe, guys. See you on my next one. I love you so much. Bye.